All right, y'all, welcome back with part 2 of how to draw your designs on the 3D models in Procreate. So I really appreciate y'all for all the views, likes, comments, and subscribers. So we've been moving at a fast pace. Let's keep this channel growing. Part 2, which was how to design your tattoos in Procreate for your 3D models. So we just going more into detail. I'm starting to shade the design in a little bit. So I don't know if you all need help with a little bit of shading, but if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, almost done with the shading. I blocked it in. Now we're about to move on to the smoothing. You see I clicked on the blending tool. Make sure I always use the airbrush when I go in blending, soften things up a little bit. Okay, now let's add a little shade around the name just to block this little area in. Make it look a lot more full. Okay, now make sure you open up a new layer. We're about to add in some soft highlights. Make sure you're on a new layer. Sometimes I use the technical pen, sometimes I use the airbrush. Like right now, this is the soft airbrush. And I'm going to the ink, the technical pen right now, because it show up a lot more crisp. I look at the technical pen like I'm using a 7-round liner, and the airbrush as if I'm using a curved mag for some soft white highlights. Okay, now moving on to the little small finishing touches. Slightly highlights on the smoke, just to give it that little pop. What y'all think so far about the skull? Do it look like it pop out with that white? I know definitely with tattoos, it definitely help it pop out a lot more. It don't always work for everybody, but you know, some people really tend to hold the white ink very well. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or concerns, I will touch bases on it in the next video. Let's go.